In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your account private in Slack. Whether you're working remotely or collaborating in a busy workspace, ensuring your privacy is important. Ensuring that certain personal details aren't publicly available can give you peace of mind and help you focus better on your work. Let's dive into the process of making your Slack account private. Start by going to Slack. Open your favorite web browser and log into your Slack workspace. Enter your credentials securely to ensure you're heading into the right account. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on a reliable internet connection, as this makes the loading time faster and your experience smoother. Once you're in, you'll want to click on your profile. You can find this in the upper right corner of your Slack interface. It's usually represented by either your profile picture or your initials, depending on your setup. Clicking on this will bring up a small drop-down menu that provides access to various personal settings and account options. After your profile drop-down menu has appeared, the next step is to click on Preferences. This option is usually towards the middle of the menu. The Preferences section allows you to tailor settings to your liking, everything from notifications to language preferences and, naturally, privacy settings. Upon entering the Preferences menu, you'll see a variety of tabs and options on the left-hand side. For the next step, direct your attention to the Privacy and Visibility tab. Click on this to open a set of settings dedicated to managing who can see your personal information. This is where you can control the outer boundaries of your privacy on Slack. Within the Privacy and Visibility settings, you should see several options related to how your information is shared or displayed. To make your account as private as possible, locate the setting option that lets you adjust who can find and contact you, usually labeled something related to visibility or findability. Click on the option labeled No One. By doing this, you'll limit the visibility of your profile details, ensuring that only those you choose via direct connections or internal prompts can view your information. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your Slack settings to enhance your privacy. With these settings updated, you can now relax knowing that your personal details are kept out of the public eye. Always remember, technology gives you control over your digital footprint, and putting privacy first is a smart move in today's digital age. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to